Now this one here is my favorite shirt, hands down, man. It gotta be the back and forth tee. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. Today's video is about Kith's Monday program, Aaliyah. Aaliyah was like a superstar, man, and since her death, she became like way more iconic. But that girl was bad, man. Shout out Kith for shining light not only on Aaliyah but on Women's History Month. I feel like women should be celebrated every day. On the soundtrack. As y'all know, when it comes to Kith Monday program or Kith treats, I always buy, man. I love the nostalgic of an old cereal getting a new branding and getting new light to new people. So this right here is the Lucky Kith Miss cereal. This came out Christmas. I don't believe I showed this on camera, but it's dope and I wanted to give it some light. Also, a couple weeks ago, I got the Kith Tricks joint. It comes in a cereal box, but inside...
A few moments later.
Inside, it's a dope Kith Treats trick shirt. It's very dope. The top has the Kith, like some kind of Christmas tricks, but the back has every box from Kith, from Tricks since I think like 1959. Yeah. So that's dope. But just in this week, I got the Kith Honey Nut Cheerios one. And I don't like Honey Nut Cheerios. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about Honey Nut Cheerios. I don't really like them. I'm more of a Lucky Charm dude. Let me know your favorite cereal in the comment section below. But this shirt here, I think is super dope, man. So it has your classic Kith Stone Wash shirt. And I love when they do the Stone Wash. I have a whole bunch of Stone Wash joints. But there you got the Honey Nut Cheerio B with the big stick of honey. I think that's dope, man. But we're here to talk about the Aaliyah t-shirts from the Monday program. We're here to talk about Aaliyah and the Kith Monday program Aaliyah collab. So let's get it. The first one I have here reads Kith, Aaliyah, Back and Forth Vintage Tee. So if you don't know who Aaliyah is, Back and Forth was like her, not, I won't say biggest hit, but one of her first hits. And a lot of people know Aaliyah for that record. So this is in a nice baby blue. And it has her picture in dark blue. Very dope, man. The Kith logo at the top. The Kith box logo at the top. Very dope, man. Another thing, it comes with this nice tag here that reads Kith RW 98. It looks like a backstage pass a little bit. It has that thickness with the laminate around it. Very dope, man. And that's in a nice blue also. So yeah, nice baby blue tee. Aaliyah, beautiful in the dark blue picture. The Kith Back and Forth Aaliyah tee. The second one is the Kith Aaliyah box logo tee. So if you look closely at the Kith box logo, it has Aaliyah's signature inside. Very subtle, but very dope. This is also in that Stonewash black that I told y'all Kith does a lot on a Monday program. It makes the tee look more vintage. The back of the tee has Aaliyah in a red picture. It might be the same picture of the back and forth tee, but it's in red to match the box logo on the front of the Kith logo. At the bottom of the picture, it also has another Kith logo, as you can see there. Yeah, man, probably my favorite one, except this one here. I go back and forth with this one in the baby blue tee. You see what I did there, right? Back and forth. Back to the video. Got it. So yeah, this one is the Are You Somebody tee, and this might be her biggest hit. If it wasn't Rock the Boat, it definitely was Are You Somebody. Dope song, and I like the tee. This tee has two Aaliyahs in a dark blue tint on a stonewashed black tee. The white Kith box logo at the top, and Aaliyah's signature there. This one also comes with the backstage pass. They actually all do, but it's a thick laminate card, man. And the material, I tell you about Kith material all the time. A1. The back reads RW98. Kith, Aaliyah. And let me show y'all the tags. Thick Kith tags. The thickness of the tag can honestly show you how good of a material a shirt is, because the thicker the tag almost makes the material better. Unless you're talking about Gildan. Gildan has thick tags, but Gildan material is thick, but it's not Kith material in my opinion. This is my favorite, hands down, man. So yeah, this is just a quick review on the Kith Monday program for women, Aaliyah edition. Very dope. Just how he thought of just going with Aaliyah out of all women was like spectacular to me, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? Also let me know which was your favorite out of the collab, man. I don't really see a lot of people doing the Monday program joints on YouTube, but that's something I wake up Monday morning to cop. So I figured I'd get behind this camera and show love to people who do the same thing that I do as far as the Kith Monday program. Yeah. I'm your boy Cinos. Thanks for watching, man. Everybody get rich.